Hey guys! So I am currently in Kelowna right now. I am so stoked. I'm just so happy to be here. It makes my heart really happy to be here. My sister's gonna be coming in today as well in a few hours. I'll see you guys later. Right now we are just walking around. Okay, that is, there she is, the sass pot, my sassy sister, my other half, you know what I'm saying? My family and I were just walking around in this beautiful little woodsy area.
Because you gotta book it. I mean, you can't have like 5 wedding parties showing up at the same side.
Hey guys! So we went to the farmer's market, which was a wonderful morning. I love the farmer's market. I just wanted to show you guys what we got this time. So the first thing we got was these really yummy flatbreads, which I forgot the names of. They're really good. Sterling spring chicken sausage, spring mix for salads, a huge, this is huge, cauliflower, bigger than the size of my head. Holy cow. 2 different kinds of pierogies, bacon cheddar and cheesy dill. And last but not least, a whole whopping bag of hummus. We love our hummus. Flavors include spicy black bean, chipotle roasted garlic, sweet chili lime, and curry currant. So what we're doing next is we are going on the boat and I am excited. I am so stoked. I also bought this really cool, really big 7 foot, 7 feet wide flamingo, and I'm excited to use that as well because it is huge, and we'll see you guys there.
Smile! There! Oh, look at that!
Cute. Mama's so cute. Look at her. Bye!
Go grab the bottom.
No.
Can you go get her?
A little later.
Bye, Mama.
Stay sassy!
Are you all alone? Miss?
Do you know Tom Hanks?
Yeah, I know Wilson too.
On a volleyball to speak with? Three, 2, 1. Adios.
How does it feel?
Oh, that's refreshing. Oh my goodness. That is very refreshing.
Shay. How does it feel to be in Kelowna right now after so long?
It's only been a year.
I thought it's been 2 years. This is my tuna tartare, cauliflower steak, and Caesar salad. So I have my tuna tacos, lobster tails, and prime rib with baked potatoes. just had breakfast right over there. And now we're on the boat out here.
And we'll get the tube filled up. We'll wait for Mom and Leo and we'll be good to go. Go this way. Good going. Yeah. Very good. There goes the That's going fast.
Because you ate so much food.
Wait, how old are you? How old did you say you were?
10 years.
Because I ate such a bunch of food.
Help me explain what happened with the boat today.
Oh, where we lost the anchor?
Yeah.
What we did was we all forgot to pull the anchor up and we just drove away. We just boated away. So the rope snapped. It's no big deal. We still have the whole rope and all we have to do is just buy like a little anchor. Sometimes the anchor's just sitting in mud and it would have just come with the boat and we would have realized, oh, we didn't pull the anchor in. But in this case, my guess is the anchor was really lodged in like really solid, maybe under some rock or something. When the boat pulled away, the rope would have just snapped, which is what you want to have happen.
Yeah.
We were pulling in the line and it's like, oh, there's no anchor on the end. So
No. We'll buy a good one.
anchor's away.
It's
Oh yeah, we had that anchor ever since we had the boat.
yeah. We'll miss you, Anchor.
Yeah. See you later, anchor.
Bye.
Don't be angry.
There's 2 balls.
That was really good.
Yeah, I thought it was just a unorganized cake.
I liked it better than T-ball.
That is so sweet.
Wear the glove properly. He would run around with it on his head. He would do like somersaults.
Mini T-ball.
Go to the last 2. I would go to the last 2.
They were drills, at least a series of drills.
What is going on?
We thought we bought a paddleboard, but I think we bought an inflatable house. And it's on my back.
Here. No, what are you doing? This? Like put them on opposite directions? My arms are this way. And then go this way. Here. And turn. And here. Here.
Hey guys, so we are out on Kelowna Lake today, and check this out. We have some new paddle boards this year. It is a Jimmy Stikes drifter paddle board, and I'm in love with how this thing looks. It is so colorful. I love everything about it. There is a mount that I can most likely put my GoPro on. I just don't know how to figure it out. But you know what, it's fine.
So we kind of already had a start to our day, but I still wanted to make an intro. Also because there's something that I want to tell you guys. At midnight, I found out that my Katie's video that I made about a year ago just surpassed 1,000 views. 1,000! Like 1000. Yeah, 1,000 views. Guys, that is amazing. I just want to thank you guys so much for watching my videos and just enjoying them if you are. It makes me really happy that I get to make content for people, to make them laugh, make them happy, inspire, encourage. You guys are amazing. Thank you. On to the rest of the video. Here's us picking some cherries this morning. Enjoy. So check this thing out. We have the solar egg, which takes in the sunlight throughout the day, and then at night it lights up. This is my first time seeing this thing. We've had it for a while. Look at it. It's a glowing egg. Who wouldn't want that? I love it. Anyways, we went on our evening walk tonight. It was my sister's last evening walk with us because she'll be leaving tomorrow night to go back to San Diego. We love you, Shay. We wish you didn't have to go, but we love you anyway. So right now we're driving to the airport because we're dropping my sister off because she's flying back to San Diego. Aww, I love you.
Love you, sweetie. Love you lots. Have safe travels.
Bye bye. I love you, Shay. Bye bye. Love you, bye. Hey you guys! So I didn't really film much after dropping my sister off at the airport, so I'm gonna just talk about it with you guys. So the first thing that we did was my mom and I got sushi at Blue Tail while my dad went off and did his own thing. By the way, I have some of the leftover sushi, Red Dragon, and Black California rolls. You guys, they're not like your regular California rolls. For some reason, these black seeds just make them better. Just go try one. It's really good. Like, go try it. And then, my parents and I went boating for a little bit. It wasn't for that long because there was some, yet again, more thundering gray clouds coming in. So we had to, like, not abandon ship, but like abandon lake with the boat, with the ship. Okay, I'm overthinking this. I'm just gonna collect my thoughts. So yeah, I think that's it for today, but we still have tomorrow, and we'll see you guys there. I look so blonde in this lighting. I really love it. So my dad and I were supposed to go parasailing today, but unfortunately it's a little too cloudy for my liking at least. So we're gonna wait until Wednesday and so on, because from Wednesday and so on it's supposed to be really, really sunny. Also, I think they're starting to film season 3 of Riverdale today, so I'm really, really excited. I'm like, I'll watch the show and I'll be thinking back like I filmed my vlog on this day. Whoa! Whoa! Hey, you got it! Okay, I'm gonna do what you did.
You gotta aim a little bit like right about here. I could do it.
I did it! Yay! Woo!
You currently have a one-stroke lead. What would you credit for your success so far?
I would credit my dad, you know, he teaches me well. When I got that hole-in-one on that practice shot, it was because of him. He's like, you gotta hit it this way, and then I hit it that way, got a hole-in-one.
Well, thank you for your time, Autumn, and continued success. And I know that your dad's going to be charging to the lead here shortly, but we still wish you all the best.
Well, thank you. Got it! He got it in! He got a hole-in-one! What? You were in! Get in there! Get in there!
And a couple of practice swings. Get rid of the mulligans. Dad Lackluster in the bottom black ball going to tee off 13th hole. Autumn, currently your father has a one-stroke lead. What's your strategy for these remaining 5 holes?
Try harder.
Very good answer, Autumn. We wish you all the best of luck over the following 5 holes. Telecast here live on TSN. Good luck, Autumn.
Thank you.
We'll give her a mulligan for that one.
Mulligan!
That's called back and forth ball. Get that ball in there. Nice, hot, well done. Good going, Autumn, and thank you very much for a wonderful game of golf with Dad.
Aw, well, thank you for joining me.
I love you.
I love you too, Daddy.
Mwah.
Mwah.
It is a tie between Autumn and Dad Lacroix. They are both champions, and it will be determined next year or later on this summer at the Scandia Golf and Country Club. Thanks for joining us today, and now stay tuned for your local schedule.
Just won 1,000 tickets on this crazy tower one. So it's already been a week. How is that possible? It feels like I just got here yesterday. But it's the end of the week, which means it's the end of my first vlog of this year for my trip. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Goodbye. Stay weird. And I will see you guys next week with my new weekly vlog here in Kelowna. Bye.